Hey everybody, I'm Prisha from paulsan.org. Here we have the brand new Mercedes-Benz E300 AMG Line in locally assembled CKD form. It's now priced at $388 and $888. That makes it a fair bit more affordable than the CBU model, which went for 460,000 ringgit. So what do you get? The engine is a 2-litre 4-cylinder turbocharged engine making 245 horsepower and 370 Newton meters of torque, and that's a little bit more compared to the E250. That's 211 horsepower. The E200 only has 184 horsepower. This gets a 9-speed automatic torque converter, 9G Tronic. Otherwise, it's identical to the CBU model. The only difference here is the upsize wheels, now measuring 20 inches instead of 19s. And these are gorgeous AMG Line wheels. It's the same one that you see in the E300 Coupe as well. The tires are very thin. At the front here are 245, 35 R20s, and at the back it's properly wide, 275, 30 R20s. These are all run flats as well, of course. Compared to the E350E, which has now been discontinued, replaced directly by this model, you do lose out on a few things. First of all is air body control, air suspension. This car now rides on passive dampers. You no longer get air preconditioning aircon, so you cannot set using your key to turn on the aircon to make your interior cool before you get in. That's no longer available. And you of course lose out on the charging port in the back here. But what you do get is now a properly sized boot. You now get the full 540 litre boot space, and you can fold the rear seats down if you need extra space. This is a lot more practical compared to the E350E from before. On the inside, it's like I said, it's the same identical unit to the CBU. So you get a full AMG Line D-cut steering wheel. You get this metal weave trim, but unfortunately the center console is still piano black. You don't get the new wood trim or at least the metal trim to match the top layer. The seats are AMG Line with Napa leather. This is really soft, and of course at the top you get full panoramic sunroof as well. In the back, you get a 3-zone climate control with side vents, very comfortable seats, full Napa leather, and of course Burmester audio controls. So what do you think of this car? Do you prefer this or the E350 plug-in hybrid? Let us know in the comments below. In the back there, you'll see the entire full range of the W213 E-Class in Malaysia. I will cover that in a separate video. For now, let us know what you think. Do you prefer the E300 over the E350? Yes or no? Why? Let us know. Thanks for watching.